Hi everyone. Now let's do an assignment which will make use of the file methods and operations and all. So what I'm going to do is I have to create a file ABC, then another file for apple, for banana, for cherry, and at last I just want to uh, concatenate or join both of these text files and to make a new file, then to display it. That is my motto. So in order to do that, I just want to make the two text files for first. So for that I will use the with method again. Just comment it out. With open, I just named the file as a2c.txt, and it is in the write mode at the end as F1, and here we can add the other file opening also by just adding a comma here and open fruits.txt in the write mode again, and at the end as F2. Then enter and just add some data to the both of the files. So first one, F1 dot write a, then just copy this and paste it for 5 times. It's almost 6 times. That's okay. Then F1 dot write B, F1 dot write C, then F2 dot write for apple, new line, for banana /n, new line, and for cherry /n. Let's get rid of this line over here and make this F1 to F2, and also add new lines to these lines also. So just save it, and let's go to the terminal and run it. Python file iu.py, and in order to see this, we need not to be always open the file using the command prompt. We can also go to the files where A to C and fruits are residing. So let's see, A to C have A, B, C, and in fruit.txt we have for apple, for banana, for cherry. So let's close it and go to the code again. Then we have done this, so let's comment it out. And in order to concatenate this, we have to use by importing izip from iter tools. So let's import it first. From iter tools, import izip, save it. And now let's open another file which is called full or complete, something else like that, and just concatenate the both of the files we are saved, and let's see what happens. So with open, I will name it resultant dot txt, and I will open this in write mode, and as res again, then comma. I have to open the other two files also, that is first one is a2c dot txt, and I am opening it in the default mode since I don't have to write anything into that, I just want to read that. And the other one, open file fruits dot txt as f2. I just forgot to add f1 here as f1. And after that, I just want to loop through this. For that, I am using for this is the normal syntax of X, but I just want to get rid of that since I didn't want that right now. For line 1 comma line 2 in zip, in braces, I just want to pass this f1 and f2 since we are opening it as opening a2c as f1 and fruits as f2. So f1 comma f2 at last colon, enter. Then we want to concatenate it. For that, res dot write we just adding space for both of them so that we have a format like this, and after that dot format to format like that, format, and in braces we have line 1 dot r strip, this is a function, and also comma line 2 dot r strip, so we have done with our coding. Now let's see what happens when it get run. So just go to the terminal and run this again, and now let's go to the files, and we have got this res.txt, and just open it. Yeah, we got A for apple, B for banana, and C for cherry. That's it. That's how we could concatenate a file with another file and to make a new one, and both the files are not affected by doing so. They are as like before. So that's all about concatenating a file. So that's all for now. Keep watching. Thank you.